Signorina. Buongiorno. This is the entrance.
Un piacere.
È un piacere tutto mio. Please, madam. Welcome. Mr. Nasia, we will introduce you because he's the gardener. We'll show you the garden. But you know, it rains every day.
Lemon trees.
Lemon tree.
Porta a far vedere
Lovely.
Buongiorno signor.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno a lei. Signora, buonasera.
Oh, ciao.
Please, on the left, on the left. This is Eremo.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
I will explain you that it's a springtime, but it looks like winter because we had no rain at the beginning of October, and then we have rain every day. Thank God you have a good afternoon.
This is beautiful.
Thank you. You get the lemon trees. Oh, sorry, madam. All over. And after you take some salad, and you take the salad from the garden. So you have.
That is so wonderful.
Follow me. 1 second. And you don't need to dive
This is an old house of my grandfather.
Oh.
Let's go. But it goes away, don't have to clean. Tomorrow, with it.
Look at the lemon, biggest.
After you take message. Now we show you the garden. You go over there. Wonderful. We have a drink. This is a celery. This is a celery that we have to when we have to do the rice.
Oh yeah.
After we need this one. You follow me over here. This is all the house, about 100, more than this, 150 years, was a ruin. And because this house was a fort against the English and French, the 1980. Well, long time ago.
Please.
My size.
More big.
Okay?
Giant
That's for the people there's a little soil in it.
It's a stalk. Is that a fava bean? Something. Oh yeah. What? Or is it fava or carob?
Carob.
Carob. Well, everywhere. Nice chocolate.
Oh, Seattle probably even less. Yeah, at least
All about the kitchen. I'm so sorry that you know, this one for the mosquitoes. Actually, it's very important. You can be in your home too.
No, non scendi.
pool. They don't let you stay only with the pen.
This is the pool terrace.
The water is full of chlorine. And there's a light over there, and when the water comes down, all the mosquitoes goes into the light, into the water, and the chlorine, they die. Thank you. You see, they come outside of the zone.
So outside the sun,
Yes. Oh, this was a very big work. Because we used to put the stone close the wall, but we lose a lot of water. So we have to get them 4 times we have done. And this is the light. And you can do this in your house, if you have a house outside of the town, for the mosquitoes. It's the only way. There's no medicine.
is it a white light, blue light?
Chloro of the
Chlorine.
chlorine for the pool. You put in the pool.
For the light?
And this is the light. This is. And in the night time they all go there. Simple, stupid, but I don't need for the moment.
Got it. Genius. Got it. We have a little. I got it.
We got it. We can make this work.
I mean, we got the spring.
Got the spring.
Put the fluorine tablet underneath the spring, and then put some LED lights right along the path. Suck them in.
And ideally, you'd use the lights that like.
More than 400 plants.
Got a couple of those.
Vuole una foto?
Una foto?
Una foto con tutti quanti.
Va bene. Perché no?